Managing global teams with local compliance is challenging, especially when you need to navigate varying laws and regulations across different countries. But with the right approach, you can successfully manage teams across borders and ensure you're staying compliant with local laws. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to manage global teams while keeping everything compliant, and how you can use software to make this process a lot easier. First, let's break down what local compliance really means. It's about adhering to the rules and regulations in each country your team members are located in. This could be labor laws, tax requirements, or even cultural expectations. And when you have a global team, that's a lot of different rules to follow, right? But it doesn't have to be overwhelming. The first step is understanding the specific regulations in each country where your team operates. This includes everything from payroll requirements, employee rights, benefits, and tax obligations. If you don't know the local compliance rules, you're already putting your business at risk. So do your research, or better yet, consult with legal experts in those regions. Now, managing this on a manual level, like keeping track of each country's legal landscape, can be a nightmare. That's where the right software comes in. I've tested some of the most popular tools, and the one I'm recommending today offers a great solution for managing compliance across borders. It helps automate the process, keeping track of local laws in real time, and ensures you're not missing anything critical. And the best part? You can get an exclusive free trial by using the link in the description below. Another thing to keep in mind is communication. With a global team, you need to ensure your team members are up to date with local regulations. Regular check-ins and using the right tools to keep everyone informed is key. By having an efficient communication system, you can address any concerns before they become problems. It's crucial to create a consistent process for keeping your global team informed about the legal framework that affects their roles. But compliance isn't just about the legal stuff. It's also about understanding and respecting cultural differences. Each region has its own way of doing business, and being culturally aware is a big part of staying compliant. Make sure you understand the work culture and expectations in each region and adapt your management style to fit. Finally, make sure you're using software that integrates well with other tools your team already uses. Whether it's a project management tool or an HR system, you need something that makes managing global teams with local compliance as seamless as possible. Our software does just that. It's designed to help you manage global teams while ensuring local compliance without the headache of manual tracking. Here's your key takeaway. Managing global teams with local compliance requires thorough research, efficient communication, and the right tools to ensure you're following the laws and respecting cultural norms. Automating this process through software is the best way to stay on top of all the details. To recap, 1. Understand the regulations in each country where your team works. 2. Use software that tracks local compliance and integrates with your other tools. 3. Communicate regularly and respect cultural differences. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial linked in the description below. It's the easiest way to ensure you're managing your global team efficiently and staying compliant at the same time. Thanks for watching.